For cracked, stained garage floors, we now have the ultimate solution. A full list of materials and steps is available below or at CoatingsNation.com. The most important tools used today will be a tarp for workspace, mixing and measuring containers, an 18-inch roller, spike shoes, a shop vac, 1 diamond grinder, dust masks, and disposable gloves, as well as a mixing drill. The first step is preparation. Ensure you have all your tools and supplies. Next, clean your work environment. All debris and contaminants must be removed prior to coating installation. Most garage floors can be cleaned with a simple concrete degreaser and a light scrub. However, for extremely soiled floors, a diamond grinder can be used to remove tough stains. Once the floor is entirely clean, use blue tape to mask off all areas that are not to be coated. The next step is preparing an area outside the garage to mix the product. Open CoatingsNation 3:1 solid color base part A and B. Mix these to given ratios while adding a small amount of acetone. Mix thoroughly for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Please only mix the quantity that you need, as this mix is extremely fast drying. Apply the mix to the floor and sides as needed. Ensure the entire floor is covered and there are no empty spots. Next, apply the multicolored flake to the still wet floor and sides. Grab handfuls, throw the flake as one would spread birdseed. Broadcast to refusal, making sure the floor is completely covered in flake. Do not worry about overusing, as the flake can be reused for future jobs. Allow to dry for 3 to 4 hours, depending on temperature. It is important not to apply below 60 degrees or above 90 degrees. Once the product is dry to walk on, scrape off excess flake without gouging the floor. Test a small area to ensure you have the right technique. Sweep up or use a leaf blower to collect the remaining loose flake. Next, use your mixing area to combine the 1:1 clear coat polyurea part A and B. Be sure to mix well for several minutes. Do not let product sit in bucket for too long, as it will become very hot. Pour onto the flooring as soon as possible. Coat the floor with the 18-inch roller and use a brush for the sides. Allow 3 to 4 hours to dry before walking on the surface. Wait 48 hours before driving on the surface. You now have a clean, hot, tire-resistant floor that will last for many years.